Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SUNW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the savage day today. Well, let me take it back. Savage depending on your strategy, your perspective, where you got in, all of that. Because some people, I'm sure, did very, very well on this one. But if you got greedy, if you were just kind of making it up as you went, there is a very great potential there that you just got absolutely destroyed. As this was just, like I said, a wild movement, and there's a couple interesting levels to keep an eye on moving forward, and we'll see if they come into play or not. But really the big question, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while, is there going to be some sort of snapback bounce? Now, when I say snapback, I don't mean where the price gets back up to where it was, in the fours or even above 350. But can the price at least get some sort of little bounce here that creates, from a trading standpoint, a worthwhile movement? And if that's going to occur, then in my opinion, at least, the level to watch very closely is going to be right up here at the $1.50 mark. Meaning if the price can get up there through $1.50, again, that does not mean that the price is going to skyrocket all the way back up here. But that would be a nice little sign of strength. Well, first off, it would imply that the price has at least stopped going down, right? So that would be step number one, just stop going down. And then that would also imply that the price went up enough to be able to fight through that level. So $1.50, in my mind, a very interesting level of support, or resistance to watch. And if the price can push up through there, next level not until $2. So, I mean, that little space on the chart is actually worth 50 cents. Now, if the price can get above $2, I think there's that much more potential for it. Again, not to get up, and I'm not saying this thing would go up to new highs or anything, but at least from a trading standpoint to make some worthwhile movements. Now, this could all just be wiped away if the price obviously continues to drift right back down to where it was below $1. But as of right now, those are going to be the main levels to watch. So an interesting setup. And like I said, I realize this all makes more sense to those that have experience. But if you're new, maybe just sit this one out and see if this thing can get some sort of snapback turnaround. And let's see what happens with it on Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.